Hi guys, Martin here from Phone Express, and look what we have today with us here. It's the newly unveiled Samsung Galaxy A33 5G, a successor from the A32 last year version. So today we are going to do the unboxing and see what comes in this box and what makes it a better upgrade from the A32. So this is a 6GB and 128GB ROM, and it's black in color, as you can see. On top it comes with a 24 months warranty. So let's see, what does this phone come with? The packaging is so sleek, as you can see the box is so sleek. Inside here we have the user manual. There's the user manual and the charging cable, which is a C2C cable. The box here, I have the SIM card ejector pin and nothing else. You can notice it doesn't come with the charging adapter. So here's my phone. So you can have a look, and you can notice some slight changes at the back, the placing of the camera. This one comes with that bumpy effect at the back, though the camera still are quad cameras. The screen size still is 6.4 inch, and down here you can see it has got a speaker. There is the charging port. This one, the A33, comes with an on-screen fingerprint. So by the side we have the power button. This is the volume buttons, up and down. Then there's the SIM card slot. These are dual SIM. It's a dual SIM but a hybrid. You can either use two SIM cards with a memory card, or you can use one SIM with a memory card, or you use both slots, you put SIM cards. So this phone comes with quad camera. The main camera, which is 48 megapixels, it is supported with OIS. There is 8 megapixels ultra wide angle camera. There is 2 megapixels depth, and this macro, which is 5 megapixels. It also comes with a flash, and it can enable you to take photos even during the night. On the below down here, there's a speaker. So this phone comes with double stereo speakers, which are supported with Dolby Atmos feature that will enhance the quality of your sound. The phone also comes with it's supported with IP67 dust and water resistance. If you submerge it in water, it can resist water for a period of 1 minute. That is a depth of 30 meters. Another fancy feature about this phone is the big battery of 5000 milliamperes. So this battery is supposed to last you for 2 days of usage. So if you are a gaming person or you like listening to music, that battery has given you the best performance period. And apart from just the 5000 milliamperes, it also comes with the charging capability of 25 watts. So this phone can charge for less than, let's say, 1 hour and 20 minutes, your phone will be fully charged. So the phone comes with a 6.4 inch Super AMOLED display with FHD Plus technology. It also runs on a 90 Hz refresh rate, which enables you to scroll through your content without blur.